Oh. So we are going to cut this wood off, even though I already screwed it on, with a grinder with a tile blade on. We'll see how it goes, but I don't want to have to unscrew everything and recut it, so we're just going for it. It's going to get smoky. It's going to smell good. Hopefully it works. I got the heater going. Nice and toasty in here now. This should work in theory. Blade, material, cut. Never used a tile blade on wood though. We'll see. Need to open a window. Whew. Fire. Damn, hot boxing. Oh man. Cool. That one needs to be cut more. Idiot. Woo. Why I keep doing that? This thing's beating my ass. Yo. Fuck. I think they can stay. Do as I say, not as I do. It worked though. Now we have space for the bed. It was mostly only down there, but I did the whole thing.